This is a Smith Premier number 10 typewriter. I want to try remove all the ribbon and then put the new ribbon. So I have the picture like this, and then that's the front, and then this one is this picture took like from the up to down. So in order to see this picture, we need to remove this part first. Okay, it's very easy to remove this part. Just to take up and then like this, remove. Then we can see the inside of this. Okay, so it looks like this picture. Then like this. So we'll see the inside. There is a two screw. This one from here to go like this. Then I turn the lazy Susan to see the behind. See, there is a two spool, ribbon spool. So I already move from ribbon from the this stool to this stool. I'll show you how to do that. This side there is a handle, right? So we like turn like this, and then there is a small like looks like a switch, like a direction switch. If put this one this side, then if we handle turn like this, then ribbon right to left to move. The other direction move like this, then ribbon left to right to move. I show you. Okay, yeah, see, like this. This one go this. Okay, and then I'll change the direction again. This switch inside, then ribbon move from here to here. Okay, you will see, yeah, like this. So we see the end of the ribbon from this part, right? Okay, we need to cut or remove the something sharp material. I'll use like this one, and then go there, and then take off this one. Okay, then we'll see there is something slip or spot to hold this one. Okay, yeah, see, it comes out like this. Then then it's go up here, and then you'll see the end of ribbon looks like this, and then go down, and the ribbon like this. See? Okay. Oh, see, go down, and then we'll see the end of ribbons here. See, like this. So this part is empty. Okay, and then this part is full. So now I took this screw from the main body. It's very easy. Just this part, smooth thing, and take off. Then screw comes out. Oh, yeah, like this one comes out. So I remove this ribbon from the spool, and then I put the new one here, and then I install this one. Okay, I'll show you after finish that part. First, I put the ribbon over this bar, but it's very hard to run the ribbon. So I try to under this bar put the ribbon. I think it's much better. So that's why the another YouTuber they use like this. You see there is a slot. See inside. See this part, and then you see the one slot. We need to put a ribbon there. See this slot. This slot we need to put end of ribbon into this slot. Okay, I do the using the another tool. This part is the most difficult part because there is no special tool. Just to put the ribbon into this slot. Right? Yeah. So see, this is from here to this direction, but we can switch using this button, like this, then the opposite direction. So right now I put the here. That's why from here to here. Okay. See, yeah, it's done. We see the in front, and then I will test a couple typing. Okay. Okay, I put this platen into the pot. Then let's see. I put some paper to the test it. Okay. Let's see. This is the paper. Okay. It's red. Test, and then black. Test. And so we can choose the red and black using just this button. That's why I ask the first in the beginning. You should ribbon red one outside, black one inside. That means we can match this shift color button. So one more shift, it can be red. I put the red again, test it. See the red one, test it. See, more big picture. Yeah, so all done.